Given the search results, here is a detailed report of non-governmental news in Ohio from July 13, 2025, through July 14, 2025. One significant non-governmental news event during this period relates to a lawsuit involving former Attorney General Marc Dann and former Representative Jeff Crossman. They filed a class action lawsuit against the state over a budget provision that will use unclaimed funds to help pay for a new Cleveland Browns stadium in Brook Park. This lawsuit is more about government activities, but it involves private interests and legal action from non-governmental individuals. 1. In entertainment news, Ohio celebrated the return of Superman to the state, which was highlighted by Governor Mike DeWine and Lieutenant Governor Jim Tressel. This involved celebrating the legacy of Superman, who was created by two Cleveland teenagers, Jerry Siegel and Joe Shuster. However, this event is partly governmental due to the involvement of state officials. Regarding public media, there were concerns about potential federal funding cuts to the Corporation for Public Broadcasting, which could impact local radio and TV stations in Ohio. These stations often rely on federal support to operate and provide content, including community services and emergency alerts. While this is more of a governmental issue, it affects non-governmental media outlets across the state. No specific non-governmental news events were found that occurred exclusively on July 13, 2025 through July 14, 2025, without some degree of governmental involvement. However, these events illustrate the interplay between government actions and non-governmental impacts in Ohio during this period.